people of Bayawan annually celebrate on 18th of February. They give honor and praise to receiving patron Saint Santo Tomas Villanueva as they celebrate this festival. The Tao-Tao is composed on the great difference the Tao-Tao has brought the city after driving crows away during the olden days. Crows were the worst enemy of the farmers, especially in the city of Bayawan. Shortage of food supplies, and along the crows caused a great famine that wiped away a great number of people. When all hope was almost lost, a sign appeared in the skies to bring hope and faith to the towns people. With deep determination and high intelligence, the religious town folks took the sign and thought of a way to drive the crows away. After successfully defeating the crows, the people of Taiwan honor dance and musical to celebrate the new change. The Tao-Tao across the city. These dance later on became part of great culture, portraying the rich history of the Tao-Tao to Bayawan City. This musical showcase of the significance of the Tao-Tao to the farmlands of Bayawan. The dance reveals the stories these scenarios farmers showing their struggles over